a girl.
I'll tell you, you know.
Yeah, so this is a little safe.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. I was literally just about to say that. Hey, Dingleberry.
What the hell was that? It looked like Woody's gay cousin Stippy.
Dude, I cannot remember the last time we've had Zachary, what's your middle name? Taylor Acuna in a video. Do you remember?
Oh, God.
Dude, I don't even remember.
It was whenever you got married, whenever that was. I don't remember. I was still married.
Oh, yeah, you're married. That's right. I just remember we went mudding on your wedding day and then got stuck. Yeah.
All right, this is not a repost. This is original content because I got really lazy and started reposting old videos. It actually made some money, so go team. But all right, what we're doing today, gentlemen and ladies, we are showing you how not to tow a car. Is it a car or a truck or SUV?
SUVs.
Okay.
That's the
I don't know if the 3 gender thing applies to cars or not. But anyways, it's an SUV thing. So we have to go tow 2 SUVs and we're going to show you how to do it, but how not to do it. So first step, we got to go borrow my friend's truck who has COVID. Are you vaccinated?
I was at one time.
I think I got a shot or 2. I know you're not.
the fuck.
Yeah, you're right. Tetanus, COVID, same thing. So we got my trailer back here. We're going to have to back up to it. Guys, just bear with us. Everything about today is going to be sketchy. And we're doing this in the rain. Why we're doing that, I don't know.
It's only supposed to rain for a couple more hours.
I don't trust the weathermen.
Yeah.
They got birds in the sky.
Can we just tow the Ram in this thing?
It doesn't have a motor or a transmission.
Oh, that's easy then.
Yeah, and then the Subaru.
Why you getting rid of a Trailblazer? I got a Trailblazer engine at my house.
That's my mom and dad's.
Oh.
And then the Subaru, it's fine.
Well, it's a Subaru. That's what makes a Subaru a Subaru.
Well, did you ever watch the old video of us trying to break the windows on?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's that Subaru.
Is that the one we did the campfire in the back?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
that was fun.
Video.
My dad actually laughed at that one.
That looks so weird. Oh my god. Try 0000.
I did.
Did it work?
No.
Try 1 2 3 4.
Oh, shit.
You got an idea, Zach?
I can jump the fence.
I'm gonna pry it open for us, please. We're just gonna tailgate the trash man. That's what we're gonna do.
Yeah, he ain't gonna come in.
Damn it. Oh, you know, just 3 guys sneaking into an apartment complex in a minivan with a construction vest
I got a handicap tag.
and a
Nobody
police
pays
dog.
attention to this.
I did bring our mask though. We are at my friend Luke's house and he has COVID, so we're gonna take some precautions before we go in there. We're not trying to catch the flu gonorrhea syphilis. There's his truck. That's gonna be our stallion for today. Oh, and his bike matches. All right, boys, before y'all get out, hold on. One for you. You gotta wear it.
What?
You
He got the COVID. He got the COVID.
You gotta wear it.
He got the pandemic.
Yep. There you go. You can't get COVID if you can't see COVID. Well, it changes. I got it. We're in, boys. You good, homie?
I hurt my knees.
We
My
don't
left
have-
knee, my right knee, and my weenie.
We don't have health insurance. All right, Zach, you want to ride in the Dodge Ram? You know what they say, Dodge the father, Ram the daughter. With your expired tags.
She got a hammy.
She got a Hemi. So we got an expired tag, we got a check engine light, a mission dashboard. I think it has insurance.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
This is gonna be a good day.
I'm not driving.
My heart.
Hey, you gotta fold the little dick mirrors in. You gotta fold the little dick mirrors in. I'm gonna laugh my ass off if you get it stuck. I think the mirrors are giving you a little dick syndrome.
I bet Zach can lift this trailer all by himself. I don't know. Have you been eating your Wheaties? I'll help you. Ready? I'll do it all by myself. 3, 2, 1. Nope. You don't need no gym membership when you own a Dodge Ram. Let me tell you.
No, you don't need a gym mission when you own it from Ford when it breaks down on you. You know, I really thought I was gonna have a really good truck. You know, it looks
That's what you
nice.
say like every time you buy a vehicle.
Well, no,
That's what you say every
agree
time.
with me, though. The truck looks nice. It looks good. It ran good. Then I found out the real reason why they call, you know, Ford found out road dead.
Yeah.
I got the concept really good. Though.
Except you were the one that found it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In West Texas, and then a mile from my house.
To make today even more fun, we don't have the lip on the trailer. I wish I had a video of it. We had to pull the car off in 4-wheel drive to get it off, but we don't have the lip for it. So we're gonna have to, I guess, put the ramp in the wood. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We got a tire machine though.
You got straps?
I only have a toe strap.
No.
I don't have an actual.
I had straps, but they were in my truck that is currently broken down again.
Oh man, your new truck's broke down again?
All right. Let's be dangerous.
We dangerous.
Do burn out.
He's gonna get her stuck. Oh God, I'm gonna trip. Better gosh, your mirrors, boy. Well, when you own the house, I guess it don't matter. Sorry, neighbors. Oh man, look at the trailer. Oh man, look what you did to the trailer.
It's alright.
What?
I'm surprised you still have this thing.
Yeah, you should take it out for a rip. It probably slide real good right now.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's got perfect tires on it. Toe strap.
Max
Sweet.
load.
Awesome.
20,000 pound braking strength. 30 foot by 4 inches. Hell yeah, max load. Oh, max load. Get the max load out of here. Max load.
All right, boys, we're off. We're off. You guys want to hit a Whataburger first?
I'm good.
What do y'all eat, bro?
Good on that.
I don't know.
We'll
see if I can make this.
This will be their pleasure watching us mow down the sign.
I think I can make it. All right. I think I can. All right. Awesome.
Can I get a name for your
I like the confidence. Jack. Did you get new tattoos? What's that on your middle finger?
I've had that.
What is that?
That was supposed
Mark
to be
of
a,
Satan. Be gone! Be gone, demon!
that was
Seriously,
supposed
what
to
is
be a compass, but
What kind of fucked up compass is
Yeah,
that?
it
Zach?
got fucked
Show
up.
the camera.
it got very fucked up.
I don't know what that is. It looks like one of those coins you put in the machine that stretches it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to not hit your 10. I'm gonna try my best. Thank you.
Swing wide, it's a trailer.
Woo! Thank you, sir.
Tighter than that's ass.
Oh, I just tapped it. We're good. We're good. So where we're going, Paradise, Texas.
Yeah, it's gonna be raining at 2,
And it's, what time is it right now? 11:10?
and we're gonna get there 11:52.
Yeah.
So
I brought my swimming trunks.
no, because I get pissed off at somebody to fucking email them.
You can't say the curse word. This is YouTube.
Yeah, we'll get demonetized.
No, he's gonna put the dog noise or the crack, crack, crack.
Pulling a Logan Paul.
Fucking.
I'm dead bodies. Calm down. Calm down.
I'm dead inside. Does that count?
We're not. No, I got you some pills, buddy. Hold on.
The little blue ones. Those are my favorites.
So far, we made fun of COVID, depression.
Thank you.
Awesome. You know, I was watching this video on YouTube of this chick that was like doing her makeup while driving. Bro, she took out like 3 barriers, 2 signs, and like hit like a semi truck. Like we said in the first part of this video, we have to tow 2 cars. This is car number 1. It's a 1990 something Chevrolet Blazer. Oh, wait, do it. Can you do it? Oh, what's up? Oh, dude, you got the same kind of eyes Buddy does. Come here. Come here. Hey, you're so sweet. Hey, look at your eyes. It's just like Buddy's. Yeah, your mama was a whore. I have no idea whose dog that is. All right, let's see how fast we can load this car. There we go. Attaboy.
Atta girl. I'll tell you, you know they live in a safe neighborhood. When if you look down here, just squat down like that, it's still got the catalytic converter on it.
Damn, wait, can you see it in here? Hold on.
Yeah, you
Where
can
is
see
it?
right there.
Oh, on the left side.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, so first up is a Chevrolet Blazer, and since it is immobilized and doesn't have an engine, does have its cats though. That's surprising. We're gonna hook a tow strap to the trailer, to the Blazer, pull it to the top of this hill because it doesn't run and drive right. It doesn't have a motor in it, and then we're gonna move the truck and trailer all the way down. Hold on, let me zoom in. All the way down this hill. We're gonna park that, and the 3 Stooges, me, myself, and Zach, and Justin, we're gonna then push the Blazer down the hill onto the trailer. I think it's gonna work great. It's gonna be perfect. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for something sharp.
Oh, just pull out the needle.
Needle of what?
The heroin needle.
Oh, no. We left that in Springtown. Atta girl. Yeah, you got it.
Hey, attaboy. All right.
Oh my God, the rarity.
What?
This still has mirrors on it. The safe word is quiche. Quiche, is it in neutral? We don't need brakes where we're going. Oh my. It does need steering. Turn the steering wheel straight. Back wheels are locked up, park and brake. You want to pull the park and brake?
It won't go into gear.
Oh no, that would be reverse. Oh!
And we'll just let it roll up a bit.
Put the ramps on. Yeah, so this is a little safe. That's really safe. Okay, safe.
That's not straight.
Don't press it. I'm gonna slam this shut. 3, 2, 1.
Holy crap.
Look at that. First try.
High five. Very nice. Why? I'm a bit upset that it went that well.
Yeah, me too. You're right. You had too much confidence.
Maybe better luck on the next one, right?
Come on, boys. Call us quadruple A. We don't need a triple A. Come on.
Hell yeah.
That was pretty. Oh, that was something. There you go.
Okay, so loading the truck went better than the high five did.
So when you're towing a car, you always want to make sure you're using 20-year-old straps that probably have 2 laps left in them, right?
Hey, if it's got a fray, it's okay, baby.
Yeah. Trailer.
Oui, oui.
Yep. I feel like we're about to be jumped. Do
I
it.
think we pissed the cows off.
We pissed the dog off and the cows, dude.
Oh, man. Here comes my ex-wife again. Oh, getting all mad at me. You can't hush up. The papers are finalized. No.
Bro, they're gonna.
You don't owe no child support. I ain't messing no child support. Them ain't mine. Don't look nothing like me. My ex-wife. Big old one with black on the face.
Bro, we got the whole flock over here,
I
dog.
don't understand that.
Hey, can I pet you? I don't think we're welcome here, boys. I think he has COVID. All right, strap check.
Stay strapped.
Ah, so far so good.
There's better than brakes on this truck, though.
Yeah.
We all good.
All right, we got it working. All right, I'm gonna sign it, and then game, you're gonna sign it.
Why?
Because you're Samantha.
I'm Samantha. My cursive sucks.
My cursive sucks too.
Oh my gosh. That was bad. Hold on. Let's see. All right, ready?
Dude, this, yeah, no, I gotta tell you. You fucking signed it yourself. And when we're saying,
Everybody has their own signature. Don't worry about it.
Samantha, Zach's mom. We have full permission to forge your signature. Everything about this video is okay.
Everybody's got their own signature. Mine is just a J. My entire name, just J.
There you go. And right, Samantha.
That thing sounds like an Impala.
Good job, Zach.
Atta girl, Samantha.
all right.
We made it to the scrapyard. Damn. Zoom in on that. We weigh 10,000 pounds? 11,000 pounds?
11,200. Well, I'm in here.
All right, we made it. Now we just gotta drop it off. You think you can drive that thing?
They are.
You think you could drive that forklift?
Yeah, I can drive that fork.
I think sure could.
Oh, nice. Very nice. All right. So now we lost, what, 3,000 pounds ish? Yeah. You see that truck bed over there, Justin?
Yeah, dude, that's got way less dents than mine does. Mine's got more dings than Zach's credit.
Damn. Damn,
I'm
dude.
telling you.
He knows we're talking about him.
You think he can hear us?
Definitely not.
Well, the thing about traffic control is that you got to control the traffic. Traffic is the number one thing you got to control. You got to make people stop, make people go, make people go slow. Got to put up cones, got to put up barrels, got to put up flashing signs, and you got to control traffic. Traffic control is the main thing. That's what keeps the construction workers safe, is the traffic control.
Do the Biden voice.
The traffic is one time I tried to control my bladder. There's an air traffic controller. He had a turkey on Easter.
Trump voice.
I can't do the best Trump voice anymore. It's got a little less raspy. I try to make it go from left to the right and more to the right. You know, that's the way this things go. The thing is, we're trying to cash in a car.
The car's good.
I'm back, baby. You won't believe what was in that car that I just crushed.
No Clinton?
Oh, that airbag. Last time I had something that fluffy, she got something on her blue dress.
Well, what'd you win?
$157.
Oh, we were both off.
So what we're doing is we're headed back to Zach's parents' house to grab the Subaru. We're going to try and make it. It is 140 right now, and we got to get back here.
Hi.
Oh.
What? Bill Clinton voice, Bill Clinton
Oh,
voice.
baby, last time I had somebody in my lap like that, it was not good for my look, my public image. So anyway, we're headed back to Zach's parents' house. We're gonna go get the Subaru, and we're gonna try and make it back. They said they close at 2:30, but they might be here till 3. We got half an hour there, half an hour back. We gotta load this thing up, and we've got...
Okay, so we have 13 minutes
To load it.
13 minutes to load. We got this, bro.
We can do this. Oh, you're gonna chalk it? Well, that's not interesting.
This now.
There is no that, Zach.
Ain't got no gas in it.
You're gonna do all that when we got jacks in there.
Watch the television. Turn the wheels straight. Go, 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 go. If that comes flying in my face, I'm fucking you in the face. Deal.
How's that possible, Zach? You're gonna be dead.
All right.
Give it the business. Oh, you're gonna keep going. Okay, stop. Keish. Yeah, we've got a slight issue. We're okay here. Right here is fine. Here, it's a little. We had a little damage here.
Pace. Pick up the pace. Come on. Attaboy.
We're so close here. We're so close. Yeah, well, it should have worked out more.
You, Justin. E-brakes off. Go. Go. Yeah.
Ooh.
Tell me a little bump.
Give it a little bump. Nope. 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 Stop.